This is during the opening days of World War I at Tannenberg. You're in the 2nd Russian Army, which has 3 big problems. Number 1, 1st Russian Army General Renkamp wouldn't piss on 2nd Army General Samsonov if he was on fire. He's hung the 2nd Army out to dry just because he hates Samsonov. Number 2, both of these dumb shit generals have been broadcasting their orders on the radio, unencoded. Number 3, the Germans know all this, and they're set to kick Russian ass. Hell, after this one, Russia doesn't march on German soil again until 1945. The 2nd Army is destroyed. Over 125,000 Russian troops are lost. Somehow, Petrovich has been moved to the 2nd Army. We know he made it out of Tannenberg, but about 100,000 Germans are breathing down his neck. We're gonna get you close, just south of the town, but it's gonna be a fucking mess out there, which means it's gonna be a pain in the ass to find Petrovich. I'll be there to help you track him. Look for me when you get there. There's Petrovich. He's pinned down. Get your ass on that gun and provide cover fire. Now, damn it! Nice work, bro. You might make it after all. I didn't come out here to get us killed. Petrovich is getting out there. Stay on that gun. We need to finish off his pursuers. Come on, if we're gonna catch up with him, we need to head this way. This path is the only way he could have made it. Keep going. Everybody else is heading up the hill. We better follow them. Move it, son. The Germans are attacking. Let's help out our Russian brothers.
Что, ребята, хотите встретить весну дома? Ха, даже не мечтайте.
Нам нужно больше людей.
Артиллерия!
Nice shot, Morris. Not too well. Drop them one at a time, son.
Поднимаемся выше!
Они все еще на нас идут.
Поднимаемся выше! Тревога! Артиллерия!
Гони их назад.
На родину! Беги, вон они!
Turn tail. Nice shooting. You weren't running.
Они атакуют склад!
Oh, shit. I was hoping we didn't run into this mustard gas.
Забирай!
All right, put on your gas mask. It's hanging from your belt. This is our chance to get out of here. Let's use it. Oh, damn it.
Не нападай.
On the gas.
Вызывай больше артиллерии. Сидите здесь и головы не высовывайте.
Come on, if we're gonna catch up with them, we need to head this way. You see that? Auras. Remember, those guys are supposed to survive.
Подкрепление сюда. Немедленно. Вы покинете победителями или мертвыми.
Здесь наверху
Сегодня вечером. Пленных не берем. Они все еще на нас. Там немецкий патруль. Ложись, ложись. Давай ложись. Мы обязаны остановить немцев.
Keine Gefangenen.
Поднимаемся выше! Вот они!
За деревьями, вон там. Гони их назад на свою собственную землю. Ложись.
Мы не
Найди
можем
друг.
удержать эту позицию!
Вызывай больше артиллерии.
Заряжай их!
Отойди с дорожки!
Ура!
Гони их назад! Это наш!
Вперед!
Ложись!
Вперед!
Давай, ложись! Подкрепление сюда! Пленных не берем! Там, немецкий! Мы обязаны остановить немцев! Найди его! Следуй за ним, пока он- Нам нужно больше боеприпасов здесь! Сидите здесь и головы не высовывайте!
Вперед! Вперед!
Не оставляй ни одного фрица живым!
Артиллерия! Вперед!
Смерть оккупантам!
Atta
Едем,
boy,
где
soldier.
едем?
You picked this shit up quick. Now, let's get after that Petrovich fella.
Ох, чью прицелен. Что, ребята, хотите встретить весну дома? Мы слишком рассредоточены.
Incoming! Get up the hill! Get up the hill!
Finde ein Ziel.
That mill looks like a headquarters type place. Let's take a look. All right, he's got to be close. Let's get up closer to the action.
Прикрывай фланг! Укрытие! Ох, чую, братцы, фрицы рядом.
Гони их назад, на свою собственную землю! Мы обязаны
Just
остановить
nod and
немцев!
smile. Come on outside and I'll tell you what he said. All right, what he was saying was that this whole area is pretty much overrun and he's sending all troops on to Frankenau. Now, that sounds like our next destination, but I want to head back to the Chronotech labs and do some planning. Come on, let's blow this pop stand.
Dexter. Morris, you did well rescuing Petrovich from that battlefield, but it's unfortunate you were unable to recover him. Luckily, those strange men you encountered at Antietam don't seem to have discovered our presence in World War I. There's a location just outside Frankenau that is the next best rendezvous for Petrovich. I suggest you make your move while you can. My attention is needed elsewhere.
You'd think with all this fighting we'd get a little futuristic R&R. Maybe send us to the great strip bars through history or something. Tannenberg is pretty well overrun by this point, if you haven't guessed. You need to head south toward Frankenau, where it looks like the Russians have a rendezvous point. If you're gonna find Petrovich, you'll be there. You got a big chunk of forest to get through, and there's Germans all over the place. You won't have to break through any lines, but I guarantee you'll take fire. You can go left or right or down the middle, but there's farmhouses, trees, all sorts of places for Germans to hide and hold the road. Stay close to cover. And don't be a goddamn hero. I've arranged for a shotgun to be left for you in a farmhouse. And this ain't no ordinary 12-gauge. This is a fully automatic, high-capacity, recoil-balanced, kick-ass combat shotgun. That'll give you an edge, but it won't make you bulletproof, so be careful.
Minen!
Ох, чую фрицы рядом.
Мы слишком рассредоточены.
Yeah, so much for my superior mission planning skills, huh? Well, we made this mess. We should probably
Стоим
clean
на
it
свет,
up.
мужики.
Head for the
Нельзя
trenches and
позволить
put back the
такого.
Germans.
Гони их назад! на свою собственность! Держим вперед!
Тревога! Вперед! Собирайся на пол! Артиллерия!
Ложись! Найди дыру!
Those Germans just keep coming. And the best way to overcome a numerical advantage is vastly superior firepower. I advise you to unleash its righteous fury on the battle. right, give me that. We can't have just anybody get their dick beaters on it. We're done at these trenches. Go join up with that patrol.
Смерть оккупантам! Не оставляй ни одного фрица живым! Нам нужно больше людей на пункте.
You're kidding me. It's those assholes. We gotta get out of here.
Вали
Follow me.
всех, мужики!
I'm so relieved you both made it back. Those strange intruders are quickly becoming our overriding problem. We simply can't do anything else until we come up with a way to deal with them. I believe we'll need to capture one of these strangers, and I am tasking you and Dexter to get that done. It's up to you how.
I really miss New York-style pizza. Remember that? Ah, crap, I forgot.